One thing that we recently started implementing has been changing our company in MoveUp is we're doing sales huddles daily. Okay, daily sales huddles. They're 15 to 30 minutes. Anybody that gets on a sales call in our company, they are mandatory to be on these every single day. We do them. I don't know that it matters exactly what time of day you do them, but we do them in the afternoon, like 1 o'clock, because that's what works for everybody. And we've just become fanatical about training. So every day we train 15 to 30 minutes. We role play. It's not just us talking about like the leads and the deals. We're role playing and talking about how to articulate these words and how to do the word tracks and how to work through objections and how to paint pictures and how to create emotional ties and work on closing the deal. So that way, in our business right now, our B2B business, we close around 25% of all of our deals. That's a 90-day close rate. We believe that we could take that to 50%. That sounds like a crazy number, but it's really not, because we haven't even been training. So what happens when we become electric on training? We become dialed on everything that we're saying. We're fanatical and obsessed and passionate about everything that we're offering people. We solve problems like crazy. Absolutely, we can go to 40 to 50% close rate. Okay, 90-day close rate. So think about that for your business. Are you doing daily sales huddles? Are you training fanatically? If not, think about it.